Ronaldo or Messi?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo, yeah. I love Messi, but I'm a friend of Ronaldo, so Ronaldo in the first place.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo?
Ronaldo, yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo?
It's difficult to say, but the fact that I managed Ronaldo for some years, I say Ronaldo.
Who say Messi is better than me?
Do you think Messi is better than Ronaldo just because he has a World Cup and Ronaldo doesn't?
Winning a World Cup doesn't change anything. I won it all, and I'm not the best in history. Messi is genius, but the best and most complete in history is Cristiano Ronaldo.